It's cranberry season. Not only do cranberries add beautiful color to decor, this original superfruit provides an impressive amount of nutrition with vitamin C, fiber, and protective plant compounds. Because of this, cranberries may help reduce the incidence of certain infections, promote heart health, protect the urinary tract, decrease inflammation, and support digestive health. Thankfully, you can enjoy cranberries past their short fresh season by enjoying other forms to reap these health benefits. A 10-ounce serving of 27% cranberry juice cocktail, a 1-ounce portion of sweetened dried cranberries, and half-cup canned cranberry sauce provides similar benefits as 1.5 cups fresh or frozen cranberries. While canned cranberry sauce can be a tasty staple for holiday dinners, homemade cranberry apple chutney will level up this year's menu. For this recipe and more, visit bigY.com. Happy holidays!